This place around here, folks, at nighttime it kind of comes alive. I'm hearing more radios in the neighborhood than radios I even knew was around. Hang tight, folks. 144-inch bandsaw change. And I did. You guys didn't get to see that. I just turned it around. And I think this is for beginner reference how-to. So all you senior sawyers out there that are shoving your coffee cup across the table, asking for the controller, sorry about that. The sun will come up tomorrow, you know. Hang in there. And I can already tell right now everything. I can already tell right now it's looking like I need to tighten it up a ½ inch. And I'm just turning another bolt over here. Kind of both at the same time. Oh, maybe you guys can see that. I'm turning this. And then, whoa, that's way too tight. I don't know what happened, but wait, it's already, something's wrong. Did it get locked up somehow, somewhere? Oh, who used it last? Nobody knows. Bigger tools, folks. I'm going to at least try and start it. Who wouldn't want to hear the thing at least run? I'm not going to cut a log, but I want to at least start it. And hopefully you guys, you can't see me. What I'm trying to do is just bring that wheel back a little bit because it's that ½ inch off for a ½ inch different size band. And that's what you got to do. You got to fuss with it. A horrible sound it's made. What? I don't want it touching the rollers, folks. And it's touching the rollers. If you're wondering what I'm doing, instead of yammering on, it's touching the rollers. And we do not want it touching the rollers. No reason. I know, I'm getting close. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Get back on there. Well, that's got a bolt on it, so I'm not going to mess with that, but it's actually easier on this side for me to be. Oops. Alright. And I'm looking for the wheel. I'm actually watching it. I'm listening to it move, actually. With the neighbor's double radio playing at the same time. Oh. Okay, I'm actually watching this wheel. It's going to kick out, and I'm running the bolt on the backside, and the main T-handle that I'll loosen when you're done is what we'll tighten up next. We got to go back a little bit. Oh. Wow, that is... Folks, we might be changing the bearing out. Oh boy. Maybe. Something sounds like a crunchy bearing. Is that outside of the top? What the heck is it doing? Nope. Oh, that's an awful sound, folks. It's like a bearing crunching. Well. That's the other joys of the bandsaw bearings. You're going to change your bearing. More than one. There is no way you guys can see this little thing moving back and forth, so bear with me, folks, if you're still hanging in there. We might just start it with some crunchy bearings, I don't know. Wow, they are all crunchy crunchies. Well, folks, I wasn't expecting to hear any of that, but